everyone's always saying like, you need to film like using your products, walk us through the steps. I don't know why, but I always struggle with wanting to do that. But for some reason, it's just like, I don't know. So I just shaved my head. I actually like was looking online, like if I was Googling if you could nair your head, because honestly, it's a lot of work sometimes. I feel like the belt on my robe is too tight. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I like couldn't breathe. That was weird. I don't know why I tied it so tight. You guys, you know the steps. It's Eugene Natural Skin Science. Should I start this over? So we are going to go through the Eugene Natural Skin Science skincare routine. I'm gonna start today with actually doing the Tamanu honey mask. So typically I like to go in with 2 fingers and I just buff it. I just take a little bit of product out and I slowly work it into my skin. Doing this is what helps you get the manual exfoliation. And then go here and just work it in. Okay, on the nose. I'm just kind of opening the pores so that the Tamanu oil can absorb, the honey can do its work. Generally, I will leave this on for about 25 minutes, but you can go as long as you want. Don't be afraid to get sticky, like you're gonna wash off, you know? And we add Tamanu oil, which is anti-aging and helps your skin to regenerate newer, healthier cells. It was used back in the day to stop gangrene. So, you know, like aging is decaying of the skin, so we don't want to do that. So this is looking good. Nice even application, not too thick. Let's go. I missed a spot right here. Okay. You know, this shot seems basic. Maybe I should put on like a bracelet or something. I might do that when I come back. Okay, cool. All right, so we're gonna wait like 20-25 minutes and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna rinse. Typically, I like to rinse in the shower, but we're gonna rinse with a hot rag. That way you guys can see the whole reveal. Because you saw my skin right before I put it on. So then I want you guys to see my skin right after I take it off. So let's do that and I'll be right back. So it's been like 30 minutes actually. I did come back wearing some jewelry. I got this bracelet at a farmer's market and I'm like kind of obsessed with it, to be honest. Ooh, okay. Actually I'm gonna need the water, so I'll just talk louder. Hopefully you don't have any trouble hearing me. Now it's quarantine, so I sat on my couch. I've been kind of like, I guess I've been a little bit out. Like, I don't know, like my quarantine was pretty strict from March 9th until like, I don't know, like a month ago. But we started doing the farmers markets, so we actually like have to leave our house, you know? Like we have a business to run. Like, so, you know, you wanna pay bills and you wanna stay ahead in life, you know, and not have this thing knock you too far behind. You really gotta keep working. And one of the ways that we grow our business is by going out and participating in the farmers markets, which I really like, because then you get to meet so many people and, you know, actually talk to them about the products, which is really cool. Oh, okay. So there's my skin after using the Tamanu honey mask. Fresher, brighter, firmer, not dry. Overall, pretty fantastic actually. Okay, so now we're gonna get into the face wash. Here's my face wash. All right, so shake it always. Oh, this one's kind of empty. Well, that's okay, we're at the bottom of it, but always shake your face wash, please. And then you're gonna have wet hands, wet face. Let's just wet the face. Okay. Like to have a nice wet face. Wet hands. 1, 2, okay? More water. You add the foamier kits. It's hard to make cute faces when you're washing your face. Okay. Alright, so face is washed. We're not going to get into the beard right now. Try not to get this in your eye because it burns a little bit. Usually I rinse. I'm just going to use the same rag that I use to wash off the Tamanu honey mask. To wash off the soap. Oh. I love it. Like, I love our face wash. So clean, but still hydrated, not dry, which is really important, I think, because you don't want to be stripping your face. All right, guys, this is my face. After cleansing, I haven't toned yet. I've only used the Tamanu honey mask and the signature face wash. So next, I'm going to use the Radiance Toner. An exfoliating cotton pad. This is an exfoliating cotton pad. Do you see how it has the dots all over it? This is the one that you want to use when you are applying the Radiance Toner. If you're someone who's fighting ingrown hairs, or if you're fighting acne, or if you're fighting skin texture, or excess oil, you need to be using an exfoliating cotton pad when you use this toner for best results. Some sprays on the cotton pad and rub. I personally enjoy a little bit of a tingle because then I feel like it's working. Nobody likes large nose pores, so this will help to get that remaining dirt that could be in your pores out. So it's really important to work this into your skin after you've cleansed while your pores are still open so that it can get in and do its thing, you know? That Radiance Toner needs to penetrate your skin. Dry a little bit. I apologize if your products end up looking like this. We were using a former label manufacturer that we no longer use. And the labels just weren't lasting. They were getting beat up and in shipping, and they're not weathering the test of time, that's for sure. So if you've ordered any time before a month ago, then I'm sorry. Next time you order, you will have a label that is meant to last. It's not gonna smudge, and it's gonna look good for pictures. So you guys can tag us on Instagram. Let me show you. I hope I can get this right. Okay, my hand is in focus. Okay, you ready? This is how much you need. 1, 2. Look how little that is, right? That's all you need. So don't do the dropper thing across your face. I know that's cute for videos. It's not effective for skincare, and you're also gonna be using way too much product. My oily people especially need to pay attention to this, but these oils are going to be good for them and not actually clog their pores. Looking radiant. Looking radiant. Okay, let me not be annoying. Okay, the Hydrating Butter, which is our newest product. The Hydrating Butter is so good, you guys. This is how much product you need. Watch this. That's it. Okay, that is all you need. Tap it around your eyes and then above your eyelid. So this has like Takuma Muru butter. They're vegetable silicones, so they help to blur fine lines. So I don't know if you can tell the difference. So here's the eye with the Hydrating Butter. Oh, I don't know why I'm giving you guys the middle finger. I'm so sorry. With the Hydrating Butter. And this one is that. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna do both. Okay. As you see, it spreads like instantly. Like the fact that you can just go and that's all, and you haven't even made a dent in the amount of product you have, it's a game changer. It's a game changer. You know, I don't think you should have to spend hundreds of dollars on products and have to, you know, work that into your monthly budget. Like, our products are really made to last a very long time. Some of the top ingredients, natural ingredients that are proven to be effective. These aren't ingredients that you're gonna find in everyone's natural skincare line that they may potentially come out with. We put a lot of research and a lot of money into developing these formulas. So I think you guys are going to definitely enjoy this. I know I've been seeing some results over the past few months, and you know, I know you guys will too. That's it, you guys. That's my skincare routine. That's it. That's the whole routine. So I'm just gonna stop the video, and hopefully this has helped you and you know, helped you use your products better, or hopefully it's convinced you to buy it. I love Natural Skin Science. This obviously is, you know, biased. I am the founder. It's my business. It's our formulas. We don't work with, you know, private labeling or anything like that. So I'm really proud. I'm proud because of the results that I see. So if you like my skin, if you like other people that use Natural Skin Science's skin, join the Glow Squad. Go to www.naturalskinscience.com. Follow us on Instagram, Natural Skin Science, and also Facebook. And if you are part of the Glow Squad, make sure you tag us in your skincare posts. And that's it. That's it.